I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea on a prestige induction cooktop. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including your favorite tea, fresh water, and an induction-friendly vessel. Next, we will precisely measure the water and begin the heating process on your efficient induction surface. We will then discuss achieving the perfect water temperature for optimal flavor extraction, followed by the crucial steeping time. To begin, gather your essential tools and ingredients. You will need an induction-compatible kettle or saucepan, ideally made of stainless steel, which works perfectly with your prestige cooktop. Next, ensure you have fresh, cold water. Using filtered water can significantly enhance your tea's taste. Don't forget your chosen tea, whether it's loose leaf or convenient tea bags, along with any milk, sugar, or honey you might enjoy. Now let's brew your perfect cup. Pour the measured cold water into your induction-compatible kettle or saucepan. Place it firmly on your prestige induction cooktop and set the heat to a medium-high level. Watch carefully as the water heats. For most black teas, aim for a rolling boil, while green teas prefer slightly cooler water. Once hot, add your tea and steep for approximately 2 to 5 minutes, adjusting for desired strength. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious tea. Carefully remove the tea leaves or tea bag from the hot water to prevent oversteeping. Pour the fragrant, freshly brewed tea into your favorite teacup or mug. Now is the moment to customize your drink. Add milk, sugar, honey, or a slice of lemon according to your preference. Take a moment to appreciate the warmth and rich flavor of your perfectly prepared induction tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.